Hello and welcome to this tutorial on managing user accounts in Microsoft Entra ID. And in this video, we will walk through the steps to create, manage, and delete user accounts using the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Well, to begin, open your web browser. So we're going to locate our Windows 11 machine. And here we're going to directly jump into the entra.microsoft.com, and there are multiple ways to get access if you have already logged in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So all you need to do, if you find all these options like that under the Admin Center, if you're able to locate your identity option, so you need to click to show all, and it will display your Entra ID portal under the admin centers. So click to the identity and it will directly log in to you and navigate you to the entra.microsoft.com, and you can directly type the link on your web browser, and which is the entra.microsoft.com, and you will be accessed and log on to this page. Now here you need to sign in with your administrator credential to access the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, and once you access it, then you need to navigate to the identity and you need to select the user. So under the identity, you can see you have the overview, you have the user option, the group, devices, the applications. Because in the Microsoft 365 environment, you have the users that belongs to the identity, your groups, your devices, your application, and later on you can use all these identities to enable the RBAC between different resources on the Azure cloud and on your Microsoft 365 application. That's why you are seeing the application and devices under the identity section. Now here, once you get access to the identity portal, then click to the user, and once you click to the user, you will see all user and deleted user and the user settings. So to add a new user, you need to click to the all user, and first it will list down all the current created user in your Entra ID environment. You can locate all these users here, and this list will help you that if you wanted to add it or change anything, you wanted to modify in users, you can directly click to any of the user from the list, and you can modify the user settings and anything that you really want. But here, to create the new user on Entra ID portal, you need to click to the plus icon, the new user, and select the option create new user. And once you click here, so here you can enter the user principal name and the display name here, and then after providing this detail, you can let the system auto generate the password, or you can set any password, the custom one, or optionally you can provide other additional detail that you may this user required, like the job information or the contact info. And once it's done, then you can click to the review plus create, and then create the new user, and it will add this user to the list. So here, let's say for example, we can type the name John Doe, and same we're going to use as the display name, but just adding the uppercase in the starting letters of the name. And here, if you remove the check from auto generate password, then you can generate the password yourself. But if you keep clicking on it, if you keep it selected, then the password will be generated by the system. So let's remove the check from here and set some custom password. Well, here we have provided a custom password. Then click to next to the property, and here you can provide the additional detail. Like I said, the first name, the last name, authorization info, job title, company name, department, any additional information that you wanted to add, and will help you to manage this user in the dynamic group, which we will explain later on in this video series. Then just directly click to the review and create, and then click to the create button. And here you can see successfully created user, and here you need to just refresh the list, and then it will display the newly created user, which is John Doe. Now, to manage your existing user, you can select the user from the list, and you can click to edit properties like this button. And once you click here, you can update details such as identity information, job roles. Once you click to the job information tab, contact detail, and after making your necessary changes, remember to click to the save. So once you save it, this will not be wiped out. So later on, if you forget to, provide the basic or additional or the detail regarding the contact and the location and the department, so later on you can click to the all user and come back and provide these necessary information. Now, if a user forget their password and you want it to reset, so you can reset it by selecting the user and click to the reset password. But here you can see under this property section, you cannot locate the reset password button. So you need to go back to the user, to the basic settings. And here you can click to the reset password button, which is available here on the top. And here you can auto generate a new password, or you can set one manually. And if you want the user to change their password on the first sign in, so you need to ensure that the option is selected, and then you can click to the reset password to apply the changes. So here you can see it says this user will be assigned a temporary password that must be changed on the next sign in, and to display the temporary password you need to click to the reset password. So what happens that it will show you the new password here, and all you need to do is to copy the password from here and paste somewhere else where you can keep the password or data, and then click to close. Well, after that, if you wanted to delete a user, so to remove a user account, you need to select the desired account from here, and all you need to do is to click to the delete button. And once you click it, it will need your confirmation. So confirm the deletion when prompted. And remember, deleted user can be restored within the 30 days from the deleted user section. So let's click OK and review that how we can restore this deleted user in our Microsoft Entra ID environment. So you need to click to the deleted user, and here you can see the user is available here. And to restore this user, you need to make the check. You need to select that user and click to the restore users, and it will be go back to all user list, and you will start seeing the user here again. So in conclusion, managing user accounts in the Microsoft Entra ID is straightforward with the Admin Center, and frequently updating user information and managing access ensure your organization's security and efficiency.